How to use iReporter. Input example. Hi everyone, I'm Koji. I'd like to introduce some of the most commonly used input methods. By the way, I love cake. I really have a sweet tooth. Sometimes I bake cakes for my team members. Why don't you try my special cake? iReporter has many input methods for users to input in all kinds of ways. Now I will introduce them from the iPad screen. Mandatory input. Tap the check mark in the lower right corner. You can see there are clusters displayed with necessary in red. These clusters have been set as mandatory input fields. The input form cannot be saved until these required clusters are inputted. Entering dates. There are multiple methods for entering dates. Inputting by spinning a set of values. Using the automatic input function to tap a cluster to enter today's date. Selecting the date from the calendar. Entering values. Tapping a numeric cluster will reveal the numeric keypad to input a value. This is a calculation cluster that have a sum formula in total of inputted values. In the numeric cluster, we can set a minimum value and a maximum value. You can also set threshold values. In this case, the possible input values are from 0 to 100. The normal values have been set to from 20 to 80. You can set an alert message to be displayed when a user tries to enter a value below or above the normal value. You can freely compose the displayed message. Inputting times to use for work records. Here, we have set a formula to automatically calculate the total work hours. Ways to input checkmarks. Inputting checkmarks. There are many types available, including circles, ellipses, checkboxes, X-crosses, strike-throughs, etc. You can select the line color, thickness, and fill color. Toggle selection is an input method where the selection changes every time you tap a cluster. You can select multiple characters or symbols.